Hi everyone, how are you doing? So, I'm going to show you footage of my guinea pig. Yeah, my guinea pig is eating a tomato. It's right over there. So, here, and if you have a pet, I want to know, like, what kind of pet do you have? Post it below. It could be a dog, cat, or bird, fish. I want to know. Yeah, I'm curious. I want to know. You too, community. Okay, so you ready? You see my guinea pig? You can eat your tomato, Goku. Come on. You were eating it a minute ago. Come on, Mr. Goku. Eat your tomato. You can do it. You can eat it. Come on. Show everyone how you eat your tomato. Good boy. Good boy. Yummy, yummy tomato. Yes, you are, cutie. Show everyone how you eat your tomato. Aww.